Alright, we're doing a little soft wash at the beach today at Legacy. Door's looking a little black around the edges. I've got Brad here supervising. All right. All right, just let that.
Doesn't affect the blues.
I don't think so.
Get too paranoid.
Look at it. Look at the spots I missed. See how it's turning.
It's almost that rubber.
The rubber seal is already changed completely. This little area. Smell it? You got a clean garage now.
That's sealed.
Yeah. All right.
You don't think it's going to turn the blue white?
No, it hadn't messed with it.
Yeah, look at the right. Can you see the bow under the window? Yes. Yeah. Wow, that door looks fantastic.
It looks brand new. Just let it sit for another few minutes.
Oh, you're just soaking it.
Yeah. It's just. That's a little. That's like the pool bleach. It's a little bit stronger than Clorox. Yeah. That's like 10%. But when I go to the pressure washing store and get my bleach, it's like 12.5%.
Wow.
So it's a lot hotter than you can just buy in the store.
Do you have to be more careful with it?
Of course. Oh yeah. I mean, I'm very careful. Like, if I were to clean your house, like really do the whole house, like I would totally, like I would do a little test spot, like just like in here to make sure this blue didn't like change or really. But I would use such a light mix that like it's like I would wash this house downstreaming, so using the pressure washer, but using a twist nozzle, so it's like I can. Like if I'm right here, I can have it fanned all the way out, like that. So it's very light pressure. Like
It's a soft wash.
It's a soft wash, yeah. But with the pressure washer, I'm pulling the bleach through the pressure washer.
How about along the base there?
Yeah, watch this. We'll soak it down now.
That's amazing how white it does. That looks brand new.
Yeah.
That was clean too. Yeah, it does. Doing this because this was on my to-do list for this weekend.
Oh yeah.
Dude,
Look at that. Look.
I bet we'd be with a bucket of soapy water in the spring. Yeah, you wouldn't have done. You wouldn't have gotten the result.
Yeah, like.
You could have sprayed fantastic on that little field.